As part of the war against drugs initiated by Manipur Chief Minister N.B. Rain, a team of Imphal Police Station under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police, Law and Order Imphal S. M. Biswajit carried out a mass poppy plant destruction drive at Aizizang Hill Range under Jordan 5 village this morning, a report said. Screening for an upcoming 5-month-long skill development training program on handloom entrepreneurs for OBC and EBC candidates was carried out today at Karam Awang Lekai in Imphal West. The screening session was organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. An AIRTEL tower at КАМАИ village under Tausem subdivision in TAMENGLONG district is not in working order now. The villagers have drawn the attention of the authority to take prompt actions to solve the problem. In this connection, КАМАИ village secretary lamjingbatomtv told reporters that the villagers will remove the tower in case the AIRTEL authority fails to solve the issue without delay. He mentioned that AIRTEL network in the area is too bad. The daily number of fresh COVID-19 cases in India fell below 15,000 for the first time since June 22nd last year. Only 12,507 new infections were detected yesterday, the lowest count in 208 days. A media report said India reports 12,584 new COVID-19 cases, 18,385 discharges and 167 deaths in the last 24 hours as per Union Health Ministry. Meanwhile, Air India, SpiceJet and Indigo Airlines will operate 9 flights from Pune with 56.5 lakh doses to 13 cities. 11 people have died and at least 7 have been hospitalized after consuming poisonous liquor in Madhya Pradesh's Morena district. The 7 people who have been hospitalized are said to be in critical condition. According to media reports, the incident happened in 2 separate villages of Morena. Union Minister of State for Defence SHRIPAD YESSO NAIK was seriously injured and his wife Vijaya died in a road accident in Karnataka's Ankola last evening. A media report said SHRIPAD YESSO NAIK's wife, who suffered serious injuries in the accident, was rushed to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. Tamenglong-based student activist TP Dinning told media that an under-construction FCI godown at Tamenglong's Inriang Luang village is not maintaining quality control. The godown is expected to have a storage capacity of 5,000 metric tons of commodities when it is completed. TP Dinning led a team during an inspection visit to the construction site. Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today opened a mega blood donation camp at Niana Mark, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. The program marked National Youth Day 2021 observed by Youth Hostels Association of India and Red Cross Society. Speaking on the occasion, MP R.K. Ranjan expressed his gratitude towards the association. Recalling Swami Vivekananda on his birth anniversary, he said that today is a remarkable day and quoted Swami Vivekananda, "Service to man is service to God." Border Security Force BSF Guwahati Frontier in their annual press meet stated that they seized a total of Rs 20.70 crore worth items consisting of cattle, fentanyl, yaba tablet, sukhi tablet, ganja, opium and other contraband items in just 1 year as per a media report. Between January 1st and December 31st, the BSF seized 22,321 cattle, 29,688 bottles of fentanyl, about 3,256 kgs of ganja and 68,684 yaba tablets. The Supreme Court has asked Nagaland LOKAYUKTA Umarnath Singh to step down in view of the spate of controversies the former High Court Chief Justice has been embroiled in. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde suggested to LOKAYUKTA's counsel that it is better to give up the post rather than demeaning himself and the offices that he has held in his career. The Supreme Court will today take up a clutch of petitions on farm laws a day after it indicated that the 3 contentious legislations will have to be put on hold to create an atmosphere conducive for talks. The SC bench led by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde has fixed the matter today for delivering an order. According to reports, the bench had yesterday asked the central government if it was willing to pause the implementation of the laws. It said the court will otherwise do it. Nearly 9 million Americans had been given the first COVID-19 vaccination dose as of yesterday, the US Center for Disease Control and Prevention said, as states scrambled to set up inoculations that have yet to slow the rolling pandemic. According to media reports, the 89,87,322 people who have been jabbed with the first of two shots, according to the CDC, represent less than one-third of the 25 million total doses distributed to states by the US government.